Hey guys, Antonio here with another video on It's Only a Matter of Time Until You Reach Your Goals. And before we get started with this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button down low. Follow along with more videos like this and straight to your inbox every single week. And guys, remember that this is part of a blog post I wrote, so if you want more in-depth explanation of what I talk about here, make sure to check that out. So, if you're watching this channel, you probably have at least one goal that you're going for, right? You probably aren't seeing results as fast as you would like. And there's a solution for that. It's patience. Today I'm going to talk about the reasons why I think we don't get the results we're looking for as fast as we'd like, from my experience personally. First, is the high expectations you have set for yourself. So, let's say I'm overweight, 30% body fat, and I want to cut down to 8% body fat. Right? That goal I set for myself is super unrealistic. First off, I've never tried to diet before, so I don't know how much effort it takes and how hard it takes, how much work it takes. I don't know how hard the workouts will be. I don't know if I'll be able to last at that high of intensity to lose weight that fast. I'll probably end up having to supplement with some sort of steroids in order to cut down that fast, right? Those are crazy goals I set for myself, but it's all because I don't know what it really takes to get there. I don't know because I've never done it before. And even if I've done it before, it might take the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 50th time before you actually get to where you want to go, simply because you're learning along the way. So what happens is we end up setting these high expectations on ourselves based off of beliefs that are backed up with not much evidence, and we try to plan on something that we don't have a lot of evidence on, which causes us to fail, and then we get discouraged when we don't hit our goals. So there's another thing that I also think we should take into consideration here. It's the high expectations we have set from others. Now today, as you walk around everywhere, there's social media everywhere you go. Whether it's on an ad, whether it's on your phone, whether it's on a computer, whether it's on the TV, you see pictures of people that are always looking their best. That they have makeup all the time, they work out all the time, they eat the best diets because they have trainers and their life depends on it. And they're seen as these images of people that you should follow, right? And if I'm going for a goal for looking like a fitness model, they're setting the expectation so high. And as someone who is of that high of a body fat, it's going to take me a long time to get there. And seeing these pictures of people on my social media account, it might temporarily motivate me, but at the same time, it's going to make me think that all these other people have it. Why can't I? Why am I not getting the results I want? And that will cause you to be frustrated. And when you're frustrated, you're not going to be motivated to work on your goals. So you have to get rid of these high expectations you have on yourself and for other people, okay? Not saying don't think big and think that things are impossible. I'm saying what you want to do is remove the high expectations from yourself. Realize where you are. It might be sobering to hear where you are right now, but if you accept where you are, then you know you can make the proper steps moving forward. And the proper steps that you always need to take are making sure you stay the course. If you take enough actions consistently in directions towards your goals, you will eventually get there. And it'll take some time, but I promise you, if you're reading this or if you're following along with this video and all my other videos, you will learn enough to get to where you want to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave me a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to check out the blog post below. Please check out my Patreon. I really appreciate your support, guys. I put a lot of work into these videos. If you could help me out, it would be awesome. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And guys, as always, remember that a chapter a day allows for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.